For this assignment, we're going to be finding epicenters, and you will notice that it is printed funny because I have map 2 first, and then map 1, and then map 3. And the whole reason for that is because I like to do map 2 with you, just because of the numbers, because there's going to be a tricky part with the Bogata one. So make sure you're paying attention to that. Also, I want to point out where the cities are. So it might be a good thing to mark them with a colored pencil like I did so that you know where your cities are, because I'd say half the battle is just finding the cities. So Bogata is here, Buenaventura, and Tumaco for map 2. Map 1, you need Bakersfield, Barstow, and Baker. And map 3, you're looking for Beaver Creek, Fairbanks, and Anchorage. I always struggled finding Anchorage, and then I realized, oh yeah, the box is here pointing it out because it's cut off. All right, so we're gonna go through map 2 together, and make sure that you listen for what you're gonna do for the one that is bigger than you're able to do. So 130 miles for Buenaventura. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is kind of break these down so that they're as evenly spaced as possible to every 10 miles. It does not break down with a ruler perfectly, so just space them out as closely as you can to what they should be. Okay, so we're going to start with 130 Buenaventura. So I'm going to go 110, 120, 130, and make sure you're looking at the miles side of it, because it does have miles and kilometers. So Buenaventura, again, I'm going to spin my paper. And it might be best if you use colored pencil. Well, I mean, it's a little harder to see. So make sure that you have your pencil mark dark enough that you can tell where your sign is. These are also in the bin, available to you, hopefully at the lab station, otherwise ask. Okay, 135 is approximately the same, a little bit bigger. And that's going to be from Tumaco. So we're going to go here, and you don't have to worry about the part that goes off the map. And then we can get it down to 2 locations where that earthquake should be, either here or in the ocean. And Bogata. So Bogata, notice this is 335, and we need to go, this only goes to 200. So we need to go 135 beyond the 200. So I'm going to go ahead, and I actually already pretty much have this marked out for the 135. I'm going to mark out the 135 because that's how much further it needs to go. And then I'm going to take my point, put it at the end of the 200, and then I'm going to make a little line here. So this distance represents the 135 that I need beyond the 200, and now I'm going to go ahead and set it from here to here, and this should be my 335. And then I can take that to the Bogata and mark my earthquake. And keep in mind, it might not be 100% perfect, but actually this is coming out pretty darn good. So the only place where all 3 of them intersect is right there off the coast of Buenaventura in the Pacific Ocean. So that's what you'll be doing for this assignment. You can do map 1 and map 3 on your own. And I guess those are under the mileage. This one will be above the mileage. Now with this one, what I would recommend is measure out your 60 and make your 60 come back here. And then you're gonna measure from here, well, wherever your mark is here, to your 100, so that your extra 60 is coming off this side when you're going to measure that one. So practice that with this. And if you want to know where the earthquakes actually are for each one, let me know.